And of course, we also have a lot of talk segments related to him. How do you feel? Are you confident that you will accomplish the mission and vision of this Fendi team?
여러분들 이런 환호와 열기면 못할 게 없을 것 같은데요. 되게 용기가 납니다.
Well, with your response and cheers, I think there's nothing I cannot do. So I'm getting a lot of courage from you guys, actually.
Ay! Yung swerte dun sa side na yun, huwag kayong papatalo dyan! Alright! We will find out if ang confidence nila mapagtagumpayan lahat ng mission ay hanggang dulo. So, the 2025 E-Generation Family Tour in Manila officially begins! And of course, the first corner is a TMI profile written directly by actor Lee Chemin. This is in TMI Chemin! Walang palakpak, walang palakpak. Asa yung hamalo na. Thank you, thank you. So I heard, no, talagang prepare mo tong profile in advance.
네, 여러분들이 저의 사소한 부분까지 궁금해하시지 않을까라는 생각에서 한번 제 나름대로 사소한 부분까지 적어봤으니까요. 재밌게 봐주세요.
Yes, actually, because all of you said that you were very curious, even the smallest things that about me, I thought, Siguro, it's okay to share and reveal even this smallest things about me. So I hope you look forward to it.
Alright, then let's take a look at the profile that Lee Chemin wrote himself. Let's see.
Ito naman sa gitna. Blood type.
Name.
Para naman magiging asawa.
Lee Chemin. Alright. Birthday.
September 15.
September 15, 2000. 25 years old. Wow. Year of the Dragon. Yes. It's a tunga.
네, 정말요? 용기.
Sabi ko ano kami, sige. Yes, don't ask the universe those questions. Blood type. Ano? Blood type. Bawal i-Google. Reveal.